You take the video.
If he doesn't like you,
You don't want
I
to?
guarantee you, he put 27 stitches in one person. Realize they're Russian wolfhounds. So
What?
he's uncontrollable.
What?
Yeah. He's a good boy.
What?
But I mean, I was young.
What?
I enjoyed fireworks.
What?
Gosh. There. What are they doing over there? Shooting fireworks at people. Oh. That's fucked up. Yes, right?
Oh, careful, man. Shooting that firework at you. That was the one that was shot at you. Oh, see? There you go. That's karma.
Yeah, well, by the way, you will end up being a dog. Of course, also realize you can hump whatever you want.
I don't live in Bob. Good.
Realize they will kick their leg and whatever else.
Yeah, you haven't had the forest.
He's a dog fucker.
You owe me a shirt.
Wanna fuck a dog?
It is.
Yeah, the video's on me, it's not so funny.
Whatever. I'm gonna put myself on camera like that. Not right now.
Huh?
So not right now.